Hello YouTube! Okay, so we have run into a problem. We have these two systems going and we've got some koi in this big one, and what they tend to do is they groan. So currently the filtration that we have in here, the biological filtration, is not sufficient and we are having issues with keeping the water parameters steady. So today we're going to increase the biological filtration by building a trickle filter. So we're going to take this bucket that was part of a previous project and we're going to repurpose it
by putting it down.
We're going to put it here and we're going to divert water from here into here to make a trickle filter. So if you don't know what a trickle filter is, you might know by the end of this video, and if you still don't, then well, go and look up on Google.
Trying a new type of style of recording. See how that works. Hey, input. Hopefully everything's recording and working. I don't know. This is a new type. Don't know if this will be sufficient or whatever. Gonna put this here. Yes. Okay, just an update. Our koi are doing fantastic. They are actually quite big, like more or less this big. So we need to get a bit of filter. Long story short, we are using sponge filters. We had to put in 2 extras, so there's now in total 6 in the system, and we just need to increase the biofiltration. I forgot the word. That stuff. While my uncle is doing that, I want to brag about this little model that I made. It's not the best, but it does the job. I built the greenhouse more or less in scale, and we bought the plastic and we also bought some Dutch buckets. So stay tuned, there will be a video that we're going to work on the big system, and these guys will be transferred there eventually. Stay tuned for that. Alright, let's just quickly show you what the plan is. So right here, we have the wood here, the bucket's gonna be here. We have now a whole, we just moved pretty much the thing that was there, put it in there, put it there, and then this thing. So now we're just gonna make a hole in this bucket. Okay, this bucket already has a hole there, but we're gonna drill a hole here now. And then that's our very scientific way of making videos now, and here's all the stuff. Now, just to show you guys, these guys are doing fantastic. They are much bigger. Our plants are doing fantastic as well. The koi and stuff are there. They are hiding, but like I said, they are very big. They're doing beautifully. And the Dutch buckets are doing fantastic as well. Broken window, also doing fantastic. And our little guy here, we moved him to this tank because every time this guy is in any of these tanks, he just gets sick. So yes, we know it's a small tank, we are looking into it, but at least he has a pump and a sponge filter. So everything's going so far so good. Now let me show you. We have Dutch buckets, so it's these fancy Dutch buckets. So we have ordered that, and we have ordered the plastic we're gonna use. So look forward to this video. We also have these things to connect the plastic to, so you will see how this works. That'll come soon. I really want to show you guys, we got a big tank. That's a 2,000 liter tank. this boy will be our new fish tank for the fish. So this whole greenhouse, we need to move that, is gonna get plastic, and we are gonna, man, I really want to get some new rocks. I hate these rocks because it gives off sand. This is gonna move. We have to clean that. Look how disgusting that is. And then this will get upgraded as well. So yeah, we're gonna put the Dutch buckets here. It's gonna be beautiful. So yes, please do look forward to the video. It's gonna come soon. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And we need to wash this thing as well.
You too.
Oh yeah, we got a deburring too. Look how nice it is. It just works. Very satisfying.
Alright, so I made the hole, and as you have seen, there is a hole there. So this goes like this. In here there's going to be some rocks, and the water is going to come out like this. This pipe might be made a bit longer, we will see. And the water is going to trickle through.
I think this is okay. Just put holes.
Hy moet langer wees.
Oh, okay.
And that's going to make a biological trickle.
To be in position, open it up. Let's see if it works. Nothing's coming out.
Shit, it doesn't work.
It's too high compared to that.
It's not working.
It's no way. Nothing's coming out. Does it come out there? Okay, so
The head is too high.
the head is too high. We got a plan. Our plan is we're gonna put the thingy there, and then that will reduce the water coming in that. So there's gonna be more water in this. And the fish is oi oi oi. Guys, we fixed it. Look, it works. We just moved the valve, so now we just need to do that. Hey, look, it's working. I guess. Cool. Okay. Well, it's not connected.
Perfect! Even better than expected. Look at that. Only that one there.
Yeah, that one's not working so well. So kom ons maak hom full power. Full power. Hy's dit net full power. Full power. Hey, this is full power.
Ja, okay. Yes.
So that is to cover that. We got some rocks. Now we just need to get some more rocks.
Maak het glad met die met die hand.
Af. Wat? Bruh. We need to position this correctly. Turn it on, my bruh. Turn it on. See if it explodes.
Oh no, nothing's happening.
Yeah, does it? It works, huzzah!
Come on now.
And we need to restrict the flow a bit more. Okay, let's see if it primes. And yeah, it's working. Huzzah! So now this will be our biological filter, ne?
Yes. Okay, so how this works is, I said I'm not going to say what the trickle filter is, but I'll say anyway. The water trickles through the rocks, and it gives the bacteria all the lovely oxygen and water that it needs.
We saw it on YouTube.
We saw it on YouTube, so that it can clean all the nitrates and ammonia and all those lovely stuff out of the water. Actually, we want the nitrates. So it's the nitrates and ammonia that gets converted to nitrates in the trickle filter.
Okay. And there the water is dripping out. Alright!
Right, we made some tweaks to the diffuser. We added some holes at the bottom and we made the holes a bit bigger so that we get more coverage.
As you can see, one row there, one row there, one row there. And we made the holes 4 point something, I think. Well, what size did we make it? I don't know. But anyway, much better. So, yes. And there you go.
And there you have it, a trickle filter. I hope that YouTube and the people that do a lot of koi keeping approve. If you approve, say it in the comments. If you don't approve, make 2 comments and tell your friends also to comment. Any engagement is good engagement. And that's it. If you like this video, send it to a friend. If you hate this video, send it to your enemies.
Yes.